bring your product with you when you actually go and get your hair cut, so that the stylist or barber can show you and teach you how to use it properly, because there is a learning curve when it comes to using a new hair product. What I'd like to do now is actually style my hair. For me, I'm gonna use the sea salt spray as my pre-styler. Guys, the number one thing you can do if you want to elevate the fullness, the volume, and the texture to your hair is use a sea salt pre-styler. The second product I'm going to be using is the Pete & Pedro Putty, all right? The Pete & Pedro Putty is a high hold, low shine product. Emulsification, you got to do with every hair product. It softens it, it activates it, and it allows it to go into your hair a lot easier. You want to make sure when you're applying any hair product, you're getting it down to the root and covering the entire hair shaft. Once that is done, style, and then dry. And then I'm gonna take just a little bit more of the putty and put it into my style, right, in order to lock it into place. And that, gentlemen, is a hairstyling wrap.